Hello and welcome to 6 Minute Maths, and in this short video we're going to look at a Pearson's non-calculator paper, a quick walkthrough guide. If you want to get in touch with us you can email at learn6minutemaths@outlook.com, or you could get in touch via YouTube or Facebook. The links are there if you need to get in touch with us, and we'd love to hear from you. So without further ado, let's have a look at this Pearson's paper. It's a brand new paper. It's been out about probably 4 or 5 weeks now. A non-calculator paper. Remember, you're allowed 25 minutes and you normally get 4 or 5 questions. Total marks for this paper is 16, so the pass marks usually around 60%, which would be 10. So you're looking at trying to score 10 out of 16 to get a comfortable pass. Okay, so let's have a look at the first question, and it's a decimal, 5.2 times by 9.6. So the first thing I would do is take the decimals out and do myself a 52 times by 96, and I think I will use a lattice method for this one. I think that'll be the easiest way to go forward with this. Split it up, put my diagonals in. So it's a little bit rough, that one, but there you go, it will do the job. 52 times by 96. 2 times 9 is 18. 5 times 9 is 45. 2 times 6 is 12. And 2 times 6 is 12, and 5 times 6 is 30. Carry them over on the diagonals. So the first diagonal we've got 2, the 8 and the 1 add up to 9, the 1, the 5 and the 3 also add up to 9, and the 4 on its own leaves us with 4992. Now we need to put the 2 decimal places back in because there's the 6 and the 2, so we bounce them back in from the back, 1 and 2, so our answer is 49.92. Excellent. First question done and dusted. Let's look at the next one. Oh, just got a scroll in there. So we're looking at a short formula, 4 times the value of 3 squared, and 3 squared is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 9 is 36. I've already got the value in there, so that one's also done and dusted. Happy days. Let's move to the next one. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so a quick read of this. On Thursday evening, Malcolm's bank balance was minus £107.35. Friday morning, he was paid £1,867, 1867 and 68 pence, and £715 was 21 pence was taken out of his bank account. Now some people might do this a different way. I'm just looking at this and going, yeah, I'll take that away from there. 8 take away 1 leaves me with 7. 6 take away 2 leaves me with 4. Put my point in. 7 take away 5 leaves me with 2. 6 take away 1 is 5. 8 take away 7 is 1, and 1 on its own leaves me with 1152.47. That's the balance. After that, £715.21 is taken out, but we've still got this 107.35, which we need to take off that as well. So I'm going to put that underneath, just for ease, really. Okay, so we'll take that away from there, and that will give us its balance on Friday evening. So 7 take away 5 leaves us with 2. 4 take away 3 leaves us with 1. 2 take away 7 we can't do, so we need to borrow 1 from this 5 and put the 1 across. That's now a 4. 12 take away 7 leaves us with 5. 4 take away nothing leaves us with 4. 1 to take away 1 is 0, and 1 on its own leaves us with £1,045. Sorry, I've put that in the wrong place there. £1,045 and 12 pence, and that is my answer, which I will record in the bottom of the sheet there. So final answer, £1,045 and 12 pence. Okay, good. Let's move on to the next one. See what we've got. Move across. Akash wants to put plastic trim on a shaped window. The window is made using a rectangle and a semicircle. The diagram shows where the places where he needs to put the plastic shape or the plastic trim. Akash estimates he'll need 700 centimeters in total of trim. Use estimation to check Akash's estimate is sensible, and you must show your workings out. Okay, so what I think we'll first of all do is we'll estimate this 118. We'll round that to 120. And I think we'll round that to 120 as well. And we'll probably do this as 110. This side here is 110. And these is 120, as I said. Now these will be an equilateral triangle, and I will know that half of that 120 is 60. Let's just undo that, I apologise. So these here will also be 60 as well, because this here split in half would be 60. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 60. 5 times 60, which is 300 centimetres, and it's just a guess. So we've got 300 centimetres for the triangles I've put the lines through, 124 just below the triangles, 120 for the bottom of the window, and then two sides at 110 equals 220. So let's add those up. 300, 420, 540, 740, 760. So yeah, I think he estimates he will need at least 700. 760 is a sensible estimate. That's my estimate there. And it is over 700, so he's right. Yeah, he will need at least 700. Okay. Well, let's have a look at the next question. Is it that way? I can't remember. No, it's that way, isn't it? That's the way we want to go. So, Calvin is a train company manager. He compares the arrival times of a morning train for 10 days in the summer and 10 days in the winter. In the summer, the median number of trains late was 12.7 minutes. And the range of number of trains late was 11 minutes. Okay, fair enough, fairly consistent numbers there. The results show the number of minutes late in the winter. Calvin thinks that in the winter the median number of minutes late increases and the train service is less consistent. So let's work out the median. So we've got a 5 there, so I'll put that down on my list. Then we've got an 8. Remember, they have to go from lowest to highest. Then we've got a 9. Then we've got 10. Let's see, we've got a 14 next. Then a 17. Then we have a 26. Cross that off. A 32 and a 44. 32 and a 44. And last but not least, a 67. Sorry, that's in a bit of a bad place, but we know what that is there. So to find the middle number, we need to cross off from either end. 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4. That leaves us with 14 and 17 in the middle. We add those two values together and that comes to 31. Divide that by 2 and our answer is 15.5 minutes. Okay, so that's the median number. Let's just see. And the range is a difference between the highest and the lowest. So we've got 67. 67 take away the lowest number, which is 5. 67 take away 5 gives us a value of 62 minutes. So yes, I think I would agree with Calvin. The median number of late trains has increased and it's definitely less consistent. It's now 62 minutes as opposed to 11. So there's my answers. Yes, Calvin is correct. And I think that is the end of this paper. I will just check. Let me see. Yep, I think it is. So thanks for watching, and we will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.